welcome. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop. Join me on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad for a point of view ride tour. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, just remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
I'm scared. Okay, I'm not scared anymore. I'm not scared. Okay. Whoa, this is so much fun. I have a bad feeling about this. I know it's not a goat, it's a ram, but what you gotta do is look at the ram, look at the ram, look at the ram, look at the ram! Ah! Woo! Whee! Whoa! Ah! Ah! Whoa! Oh. Oh. Oh no! Thank goodness we made it out alive. Woo! Oh, whoa. We did it! We made it! We survived Big Thunder Mountain Railroad! To live another day, to ride another day. Hey, I'm LJ. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure stop at the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, everyone.